Hello everybody. Today I am going to say how to balance an equation in chemistry. First, to balance an equation, there will be three steps. Three steps to balance a given equation. For example, these are the two unbalanced equations. Now I'll balance and show you the solution for this. There will be three steps. The first step is step 1. You have to write the given unbalanced. This is an unbalanced equation, so write. This is the step 1. That is Zn plus HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Now next step is you have to write the elements in LHS and RHS. This is left hand, which are called as reactants. These are products, which are right hand side. First write element here. Zinc, hydrogen, chlorine. These are the elements on both the sides. Element LHS, RHS. You have to write the atoms present in the elements like Zn, hydrogen, chlorine. Here also zinc, chlorine and hydrogen. Now on LHS side, zinc are only one. Atoms are one in zinc. And here also there are one. Hydrogen, here there are one atom. It is one atom. Here two atoms are there. For chlorine, in LHS side 1 and in RHS side it is 2. So now we have to balance an equation here. Zinc is balanced on LHS 1 atom, on RHS also 1 atom. Hydrogen and chlorine to be balanced. So you have to add the number in front of the element name. Like coefficient you have to add, but you have to not remove the given. So hydrogen in RHS there are 2, here there are 1. To need 2, we have to add 1. So 1 we have to add, 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine we have to add. So write here 2. Then 2 hydrogens are there. On RHS also 2 hydrogens are there. Here 2 chlorines are there, here also 2 chlorines. Hence this equation is balanced. This step. After last step, step 3 is you have to write the balanced equation like Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. This is the solution for first one. Now second one. First write the unbalanced equation, that is C3H8 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Now next write the elements. Carbon element, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now here same carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Now LHS, RHS. Carbon in LHS there are 3. On RHS there is only 1 carbon. Hydrogen 8 are there. 8 atoms of hydrogen in LHS. 8. And here there are only 2. And next to oxygen, here are 2. Here are 2 oxygen and here 1. So totally 2 plus 1, 3 oxygens are there in RHS. No element is balanced. So we have to balance all the elements here in the equation. So carbon, we need 2 more carbons in RHS. So 2 more carbons we need. So what to do here is write first 2. 2 carbons satisfied. 2 carbons are satisfied and here there are 3. So write 3. 3 carbons, 3 carbons. Next hydrogen. So here oxygen value will become 3 to the 6. Here only 2. Here 6 oxygens are there. 6 plus 1, 7 there here. On RHS side 7 there. oxygens are 7. With 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Here only 2. So now first balance the hydrogen 8 in. Here 2. So write 4 in front of H. So 4 2s are 8 hydrogens, 8 hydrogens. And carbons are 3 and RHS also 3. Now only oxygen should be balanced. Here there are 2 oxygens on LHS side. Here 3 2s are 6 oxygens plus 4 oxygens, which is 10 oxygens are there on RHS side. So here write 5. So 5 2s are 10 oxygens will be. Here 10 oxygens and 6 plus 4, 10 oxygens. All the elements are satisfied. Now write the balanced equation. C3H8 plus 5O2. 5O2 gives 3CO2 plus 4H2O. Thank you.